Before performing the service, prepare a clean workspace. Remove the mattress and clear any bedroom furniture or clutter from around and under the adjustable base. This service is best performed with the base turned over. Locate the control box in the center area of the base's underside. Disconnect all cables and wiring from the control box, starting with the input cable, followed by the power down box cable, then the motor cable connections. Next, unhinge the wire harness by pulling the tab on the side, down and out away from the control box. Remove the control box. Using the new control box, align the tabs on the bottom of the control box with the inserts on the base and apply the new control box under the wire harness. Make note of the control box ports and corresponding labels. Once the control box is in place, follow the motor cables from each component, reinserting them into the wire clips as you work your way back to the control box. Plug the cable into the corresponding port. Secure the wire harness over the control box by pulling the tab on the side, out and away, then down. Connect the power down box to the multi-function port on the side of the control box. Connect the input cord to the control box. Now that the replacement is complete, turn the bed over, reapply the mattress, and test the functions to confirm the base is operating as intended. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please contact us through the contact information on your warranty card.